Welcome to this episode of Ask the Guitar Coach, the only podcast where you get answers to all your guitar-related questions. If you're interested in developing your guitar skills and reaching your music goals, please send me an email at the email address ioannis@ioannis.org. That is ioannis@ioannis.org, so that I can let you know about all the different packages of elite guitar coaching and how you can get private coaching by me. Without further ado, let's go to our question for the day. Do rock guitar players need to learn music theory? Alright, this is going to be a simple answer to a fairly simple question. Do rock guitar players need theory? And the answer is, in my opinion, yes, they do. Now, I cannot really think of too many exceptions. Maybe it's someone who is like a classic rock player, so basically he plays mostly covers. Does he need to know a lot of theory? No, he can survive without knowing a fair amount of music theory, but to thrive as a player and to also write music on that vein, and music that's going to be interesting and have like twists and turns and be exciting for people, I would probably say that you would need to know at least some music theory. What music theory does is it gives you an opportunity to supplement your writing, not from just having inspiration, but also make it more intelligent. Like, you can basically use specific rules if you want, and as many of them as you want, to create your music. So whenever inspiration strikes, you take it to the point of inspiration, and then you can take it even further by using theoretical knowledge. This is how I do it, and this is how I use it in my compositions. You're not going to be limited by learning music theory. It's actually exactly the opposite. You learn more and more ways to continue and to expand and to make your songs more beautiful. If you're enjoying this show and you want to be notified whenever a new video comes out, make sure you press subscribe right here, okay? And also press the notification bell so that you can get a notification every time we release a new video. And now, let's go back to our regular episode. So, if you want to write your own music in the rock idiom, and you don't want to just be limited to the times that you have some kind of inspiration that just comes, divinely, in any other case, I would say you need at least a working knowledge of music theory. It doesn't have to be too advanced, just a few months of lessons would be enough. But what I've seen that happen in most cases is that people will have a few months of lessons, then they will get really excited about all the potential, and then they continue and expand their knowledge more and more. So there you have it. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you on the next episode of Ask the Guitar Coach. Until then, keep sending me your questions, and I'll do my best to answer them in a future episode.